So they have been developing, and they're currently one of the biggest AI projects in the crypto space. Welcome to Crypto Insights, where we teach you about crypto. In this video, I will focus on SingularityNET.io, which is a crypto protocol focusing on AI and AGI. This crypto project has already been online since 2018 and is actually one of the first projects focusing on AI in the decentralized space. Currently, AI is becoming very popular due to ChatGPT and Lensa, and also there's a lot of new other projects coming up. Please always watch out because some of those projects are really scams. This one is already in the space for a long time. So with all of that said, let's jump into this week's video. So this is the main webpage, SingularityNET.io, pushing the AI and AGI frontier. AI standing for artificial intelligence, while AGI stands for artificial general intelligence. The difference is that AGI is mostly focusing on removing repetitive work from humans and move it to AGI. So instead of asking a human to do something, you ask the computer to do something. And some of the tasks can be completely digital and automatic. And that is what AGI mostly focuses on. So welcome to the next generation of decentralized AI. So the vision, SingularityNET is world's leading decentralized AI marketplaces running on the blockchain. I do agree with this statement because they're ranked the highest on CoinGecko, which we will see later from all the AI projects that I am following. Our core mission is the development of artificial general intelligence, AGI, for a beneficial technological singularity. So it's decentralized. So the decentralized AI through emerging blockchain technology, creating a fair distribution of power, value, and technology in the global commons. This is the same on Bitensor, which is a project that I analyzed a few weeks ago. So go to my past videos to check that out. Beneficial AI network, AI focused on making the world a more compassionate, more just, and more sustainable place right now and into the future. AGI development, creating a foundation for the emergence of decentralized human-level intelligence, open sourcing the creation of artificial general intelligence. So instead of hiring a human through the internet, now you can hire an AI to do the same work. So what are the technologies that they're currently providing? So the first one is the AI marketplace and AI publisher. Search, trail, and select from an ever-growing library of AI algorithms. So you can choose from multiple codes and multiple AI solutions that you want to use, created by a community of service providers. So instead of created by a company, it's now created by separate individual service providers that provide through this marketplace. Integrate AI services into your own applications. Our publishing infrastructure provides both a central hub for creating, editing, and managing your AI services, and the tools to launch these services to a global market. So the main problem with AI is that it's very centralized. It's either Google, it can be Microsoft, even OpenAI is a company, and one of the founders is actually Elon Musk. So therefore, it's really important that we move AI decentralized. So any AI developer can just work on its own without having to work for a company, because the code of AI is very complicated, and to work on it on yourself takes years and years and years. Now, through these decentralized methods, they're able to work together without having to work for the same company. So this is the AI marketplace. Then you have the AI domain-specific language, DSL, a deep self-organizing network of AI agents running on the SingularityNET platform can outsource work to each other dynamically, leveraging AI functions, exchanging input and output, and negotiating payments and enhancing the agent's reputation systems. So instead of you having to organize all these separate AI services, the AI services can just communicate with themselves. So then you have the AGIX staking and bridge, which is the native token of the SingularityNET. We will look more into that now. So what can you do with this token? It is a utility token, so this means that you can use it to buy and sell on the AI marketplace. It's a governance and voting token, so you can actually vote on proposals and improving the network and the marketplace. Then it's also a multi-chain token. So it's multi-chain, meaning that you can use it in Cardano and you can use it in Ethereum for now. And they're actually planning to do more bridges, as it's called. You can stake it. So you can actually stake your token by securing the network and provide liquidity, and therefore you receive rewards. And you have airdrops, something that is quite common in the ecosystem. So you have multiple purposes for this token, something that I personally always look into. Then you can see the team, which we'll look more into later, and the partnerships. Most of the partnerships are really focused on AI, so I'm not very knowledgeable about it, and obviously Cardano, because that's one of their bridges. Then let's go to the team. So the founding team are Dr. Ben Gurtzel, and he's called a doctor because he has a PhD, and Dr. David Hansen. The rest of the team is not very familiar to me, but I mainly want to look more into the founder and also chief scientist, because obviously that's a very important role. So if we go to his LinkedIn page, we can actually see that he has a lot of experience. He's also a public speaker, so you will see him very often at events. He was also at Web Summit here in Lisbon. And let's go through his experience. So currently CEO, he's that since 2017. So they were very early into crypto. Before, he was the chairman of Open Cock Foundation, which is also focusing on artificial intelligence. He was the chairman of the Artificial General Intelligence Society, vice chairman at Humanity Plus. So overall, he has a lot of experience. He's mostly focusing on programming and improving. He also does some public speaking. Then let's go to the Twitter page. So they already have 80,000 followers, but the project is also not fairly new. They were already available after the crash of the 2017 bubble. So they have been developing, and they're currently one of the biggest AI projects in the crypto space. They're tweeting relatively often. So you can see that on the 1st of January, they tweeted like Happy New Year and demonstrating their main AI, actually showing what she did last year and what they're also planning to do next year. They retweet content from other AI users. And then let's go to CoinGecko. So in CoinGecko, we can see that this project was already live in 2017 and after had a huge drop. It dropped to 3 or 4 cents and stayed there for a while until the next bull market. It went back to 60 cents, which it was before. And now we're in the bear market and it dropped to the same level, but actually 2 times higher as the last level. So the last level was really 1 or 2 cents. And we can see now it's more or less 4, 5, 6. So it already has a better bottom than it had in 2017, 2018. Why? Their products are live, the project is used, but if we really look at AI, it's not used that much yet. Now with ChatGPT, we see it coming up, we see Lensa, we see AI becoming hot, but is it really used yet? No, not yet. And therefore, I also think that this project is really in it for the long run. It's already providing solutions, but obviously there's not yet a lot of users. So the maximum supply is 2 billion, which is a lot. So you can't really compare this with Bitcoin or Ethereum. It will always have a little bit of a lower price, but it has a maximum cap. So a maximum cap means that it's scarce. The current market cap is 50 million and it's ranked at place 339 on CoinGecko. So as I stated earlier in this video, this is really one of the massive projects that I'm following that is focused on AI together with Bit and Soar. I'm really looking for buying a position in this project as the founder is really known in the space. He has a great network, he has great experiences, and from that, obviously, he keeps the best AI developers around him and provides the solutions for the decentralized ecosystem. So let me know what you think about this video. If you think AI has a future and which protocols are you mostly looking into, please leave it in the comments and I hope to see you next week. Bye.